Hi everyone, welcome to my Amazon live stream. Oh, I'm losing my voice a little bit. So, I'm sorry about that. If I cough, it sounds a little bit better. But, today, that's the wrong one. I wanted to show my computer. Let me move this stuff around. Oh my goodness. I hope you can hear me. Let me see. I'm gonna turn down the music just a little. Hey Travis. I'm losing my voice. Oh, this is the Shure MV7. Well, the one I'm using right now is the Shure MV7. The one I use on my gaming computer is the Electro-Voice RE20. I think it sounds better for my voice. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna drink some lemonade. This is my favorite thing. This is rose lemonade. Wait, this microphone sounds nice, really? Weren't you saying it sounds bad like the other day? I should probably drink water instead, but I don't know where I put my water bottle. It sounds super clear? What in the world? Weird. I didn't change anything either. That's so weird. It's weird that I turn on my computer one day and then it just sounds better. I don't understand how that works. Sorry, I keep coughing. Yeah, that's so random. But that's good, it sounds better. Hopefully it sounds better for like the videos I made the other day. Hey Brain Slugs, how you doing today? Hey Sir Chris, it's good to see you. Yeah, it's 7 p.m. for me. It's 7 p.m. And tomorrow, I have a lot to clean. I keep forgetting. I was pretty lazy today. You just woke up? Wait, what time is it for you? Yeah. I've been sick for about a week. And now I'm just randomly losing my voice. Like a week later? I don't understand. First I had like fever and chills, and then the fever and chills went away. And then, no, I don't have COVID. I took a test and it's negative. I think I got a cold. But yeah, I had like fever and chills, and then that was like last week. And then I started getting better. Same kind of thing I'm getting over. Really? You had the same thing too? Man, it's like the sickness goes around so fast. One person catches it and then everyone in the world gets it. It lasted like 2 weeks. Holy cow. Yeah, I think Myth gave it to me, and he's been sick for a while. I'm sorry, I need to cough. I gotta mute my mic. Okay. That was really painful. I think because I haven't really talked all day, maybe a military flu, maybe. I think because I haven't talked all day, and now I'm talking, It's irritating my throat a little. I was getting so much better. Yesterday I was getting like way better. I wanna... Uh-oh. The video died. Okay, this is my streaming computer, the one I'm streaming on right now. Except for I took out the GPU. Oh my goodness. I have to cough again. Sorry about that. I just drank some warm tea too. I thought it would help, but I guess it didn't. But yeah, this is like my favorite thing in the UK. It's rose lemonade. And it's lemonade, but it smells like roses and tastes like roses. It's so amazing. I probably shouldn't be drinking lemonade. That's how I was. I feel like I hadn't gotten sick in a while. And then bam, I got way sick. I did see the 4000 series. This thing is a monster. It is, isn't it? It really is. I'm gonna change the lights behind me. I'm really happy that I filmed my old setup because I kind of like some things I did with my old setup. But yeah, my goal is I want to build a new computer, and I want to make a little MATX. Oh, in 3 days? Holy cow. I feel your pain from what you sound like. Yesterday I didn't sound this bad though. It's so weird. It's like it happened overnight or something. But yeah, I want to take this streaming computer and just basically condense it into a smaller little MATX. I want to search for parts. But yeah, I definitely need a CPU with integrated graphics. And then yeah, right? And then today I just don't have a voice. And it's so weird. Maybe I should go make some more tea. Okay, I'm gonna go to this one real quick. Oh, hey, it's Amazon. Sorry, the screen's black for a second. I accidentally messed up. Yeah, there we go. So I have the G5 monitor now. So I have the Samsung G8, or sorry, the G9, the G7, and the G5. It sounds like I came back from a music fest. Yeah, I don't know what to do. So the G5 is behind me right now. And I kind of obtained the G5 by trading. I just traded someone online. They were like, hey, I want your phone. And I was like, okay. And they were like, will you take a Samsung Odyssey G5? And I was like, okay. Josuke? I love Josuke. But my favorite is probably Johnny now. I love Johnny. He will forever be in my heart. He's so wonderful. So beautiful. Josuke's cool though. I really like Josuke. I like the arc. Like, I like how the 4th season is like contained in just a little neighborhood instead of being like so global. And then it goes to Johnny, or I guess after that it goes to just Italy. So it's like the first 3 Jotaros like took place around the whole world, and then it gets to like Josuke, and then it's like, okay, we're only doing a neighborhood. And then it goes to Giorno, and then it's like, okay, only Italy. And then it gets to, what's her name? Jolene. And then it's like, okay, only prison. And so it's like, only in prison. And then it gets to Johnny, and it's only the USA. Jotaro, oh my gosh. Jotaro's a boy kisser. Johnny is not the worst. What in the heck? I bet you don't even know anything about Johnny. Name one thing about Johnny. Gee whiz. Yeah, Jotaro's arc is the entire world, and it's lame because it's too much. It's too much. Narrowing it down to one setting is just so... It makes the characters more, like, intimate, and you get to know them more. Yeah, see, you don't know anything about Johnny. Name one thing about Johnny Jotaro. Johnny Joestar. I bet you can't. Oh, I made borscht today. Oh, I should eat some. Maybe it'll help my voice. I ate some earlier at like 1 p.m, but I could eat some for lunch. Jotaro's the boy kisser. Maybe Johnny's a little bit of a boy kisser too, to be honest. Yeah, borscht with beets. Yeah, I made some today. I messed up on the meat though, because it's like stew beef, and I don't know. It's supposed to like flake, and mine is a little more chewy. Yeah, okay. I can agree with you. Jonathan is a little... He's not the best character. I would say Jonathan is like... He's alright. He's alright. Like, he starts it all. I think it's cool. I like Jonathan because of how different he is from, like, Joseph and Jotaro. Because, like, Jonathan is, like, such a good guy superhero, and he's like, oh my gosh, there's a damsel in distress. I have to save this lady. I have to stop this kid from getting bullied. I have to go donate to charity and help people. And then all of a sudden you get to Joseph, and Joseph is like, who was it? I think Dio kidnapped somebody, and Dio was like, I'm gonna kill this lady. And then Joseph's like, I don't even know her. Bye. And then it gets to Jotaro, and Jotaro's just like, he hates women. He hates women so much. He hates his own daughter. He hates his wife. He hates his mother. He despises women. Who's Joseph? You really liked Joseph? So you really are Russian. He grabbed me, yeah. Sigma male Jotaro. Yeah, really. Like, Jotaro is like he acts like an alpha male, but then he like can't even get a girlfriend. But he also just really hates women. Yeah, my voice isn't doing so well today. It's barely hanging on. But then you go to, after that you go to Josuke, and Josuke is just, I don't know, he's full of personality, but Josuke is just, I'd say he's good. And then as for Giorno, like, I don't know, he's like lone wolf. Josuke was really amazing. Did I go to a death metal concert? Voice adds emotion to the story. Yeah, it does, huh? Am I sort of monotoned? Yeah, Giorno was kind of boring. Like, Giorno's personality is very boring, because he's just so, like, He has one goal in life. And he's gonna only do what he's gotta do to get that one goal done. And he, like, doesn't care. Well, it's not that he doesn't care about anyone else, but he kind of doesn't. He just only cares about that goal. He's like, that's my goal in life. Let's do it. And then it goes to Jolene. And Jolene, I love Jolene. Every time I say Jolene, I just think of the episode where the girl in the cell next to her is just like, Jolene. Oh, you should watch Jolene. It's so good. Oh my gosh. I don't want to give you any spoilers, but Jolene's incredible. And then it gets to Johnny Joestar, and Johnny is the tip of the iceberg. He's the best of the best. He's incredible. And then it goes after that. It's, what is it? Oh, I can't even remember his name anymore. Johnny, and then Jojolian. And Jojolian is he's kind of the lamest, but he's definitely, out of all the characters, the least likely to be a boy kisser. Oh yeah, you gotta finish. Yeah, Jornos can get hard to go through all the way. I actually liked every other character in chapter 5. I loved every other character more than Jorno. But I did care about Jorno, but like pretty much every other one. What's so bad about kissing boys? Nothing. But if you're a boy kisser and a woman hater, like Jotaro. But I'm pretty sure Joseph, holy cow, Joseph like has, I was just thinking about that. I was like, Joseph had a wife so fast. He like married some random Italian woman. I think her name was like, oh, I can't remember her name anymore. And then he had an affair on her. and that's how Josuke happened. One of Jolene's legs is longer than the other. That's why she leans. Jolene. Yeah, Jolene. My voice came back for a second. Come on. Come on, voice. You can do it. Whew. I wanted to record videos today, Artem, but my voice is weird. Oh, the show is called JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. It's a really good show. I'm like obsessed. Except for SK. Yeah, I had plans to like film pretty much all of those videos that were in the queue. But then, like, this morning my voice was just killing me, so I was like, I can't do it. Okay, so I need to find some computer parts. And we're both in this stream doing neither. Yeah. How about that? I really like this case, actually. I think it looks really... It's just so simple. I wish this wasn't as dark, though. Like, if it was clear, that'd be nice. But I was looking for... I want to find a board for, my future PC. This is a project that I want to work on in November, so it's still a few months away, but it takes a long thing. It takes a long time for things to ship to me. Why am I looking over there when I can look here? Thank you, brain. Thank you. Okay, so this one's really not that badly priced, actually. You know, you want to know a secret that I discovered from just streaming on Amazon. I noticed that things are actually cheaper in September and October than in November. I think it's because September, October, people don't buy a lot of stuff. And so the prices are really cheap. And then as soon as it gets to November, they like jump the prices up again and then drop them a little bit right before or right on Black Friday. I noticed that because like working at GameStop we would do that, and then also I have bought like the drawing monitor I bought. The price I bought it for in October was like a few $100s cheaper than Black Friday. I know people are holding off, but it's not smart because if you were to buy now, you actually get things cheaper. Yeah. So people who do their Christmas shopping in September and October get the best deals. Alrighty. So yeah, this one. This is a the Asus X60 the X670 Mini ITX, but I think an ITX would be too small because I need at least 2 PCIe slots. So let's look at it though, because actually I would like an Asus board. I'm a fan of the Asus. The Asus, if you will. I want a micro ATX. I don't want ITX though. Okay, so you said it's the Asus X670. Are you in school right now? And it's the mini. I want to see it because this is the 570. They haven't come out yet. Ah, I see. Yeah, so this one only has... So ITXs usually only have 1 PCIe slot. And I need 2 at the bare minimum. Maybe I need 2. To be honest, maybe I don't need 2. Maybe I could just only have 4 cameras and not 8. Oh, it's for the new Ryzen 700. Ah, that makes sense. So, what does this board got? So, this is for the Ryzen 3000. It's got Wi-Fi 6, that's pretty nice, built in. Hey, Amazon customer, thank you for the follow. I'm debating if I could survive with only 1 PCIe, but I think I need 2. Suddenly builds the computer I already have. No, my computer's too big. I want a teeny one. I want a baby computer. But I do want integrated graphics. So Asus M-ATX. I want a small case like this. That'd be pretty. So this one has Wi-Fi. That's good. DDR4, PCIe 4.0. No. This computer's gotta be cheap. I should make a goal. What's this one? I kind of like the simplicity of that one. Bye! Thank you for stopping by, Bunny. I appreciate it. So this is for Intel. Dang! This bad boy's got... Look at all that. Oh my gosh. Is that 2 M2 slots on there? That's 3! This thing has 3 M2 slots. M.2s? Oh my gosh. And then we've got... Dang. Looking good. What? This thing can hold 4 sticks of RAM? Wait, most MATXs can, huh? Is it ITXs that only usually have 2 sticks of RAM? 3M2s. Wait, PCIe 5.0? Wait, what? Wait, is this DDR5 or DDR4? Oh, DDR4. Thunderbolt, let's go! They lost the T on that, though. Thunderbolt! Thunderbolt 4. This one's actually pretty nice. When does the newer Asus one come out? Actually, you know what? I could probably click on Asus's page and find out. Ooh, look at them. Why don't they make mini boards that look like this? Man, this laptop is so amazing. Thunderbolt! James Bond board! Asus would be a really... MATS! They're getting censored? What did they say? This one's actually really cheap. To be honest, I think I'll probably only use one M.2 in this build because we have a NAS set up and it's like really nice. Our NAS is like super nice. So I probably don't even need that much memory on the computer itself. What? Lee and Lee Mini? That's strange. They were like, don't talk about Lee and Lee in this chat. Okay, I want to look up all the MATX boards. Oh my gosh, it's pink! Wait, these are cases? Hold on. I like how simple this case is. It's really nice. This is Artie's PC case. That's funny. This Cooler Master's really nice. The Lee and Lee, it's nice, but I want something more closed. Where did that Cooler Master go? Oh, what is this? What is this simple piece of thing? Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Wait, does it have a handle on it? That's kind of funny. Nos. Little Nas X. Handle. Oh, actually, I really like this case right here. I remember seeing this case before. The white one. Oh wait, but this is the ATX one. Is this the MATX one? I saw one of these in white. Yeah, they do have it in white. I really like how clean this one is. I wish the one that I want was sold on Amazon. But this was probably second. My second choice. I really like how clean that is. The gold one? Yeah, I think that case is probably my second choice. Because it's nice. Oh wait, I was looking at motherboards. Hold on, let me go back. This one's so clean. Oh, but nope, I don't like this. This company has done me wrong so many times. No. Oh, this one. Oh my gosh, no. It's AS Rock. This MSI one. What in the world? That's so cool. When Myth and I were at Computer City, in Korea, we saw some super cool builds. Little teeny builds. Okay, what is this? It's got all your whistles. Oh, that's pretty nice. I do like the simple, like, gunmetal gray on there. What in the world? What? Oh, this is an ITX again. Why is this thing so decked out? Mentos. Mentos case. Cyberpunk inspired aesthetics. Nice. Alright, alright. Dang, what is going on with this bad boy? PCIe 4.0, let's go. Thunderbolt 4 on board. I don't think I need this much. This one almost cost as much as my other one. Oh, that's so nice that it has so many, Wait, it said onboard? Oh, front panel. Type C ×2, that's nice. Yeah, that's like one of the more expensive ones. I don't think I need anything that fancy. All I really require for a motherboard is for it to be small, for it to be an MATX, and then for it to have built-in Wi-Fi. That's all I need. Wi-Fi 6 is a bonus. Does this one not have any Wi-Fi? Two PCI. Oh yeah, and then at least 2 PCIes. Yeah, I forgot about that part. So, if I was to get this one, I do have a wireless card that goes into a PCIe. So I could get this one and just use my current card. This one's 155, that's not bad. It does have a cool look. I need to make a list. Wish list. Oh boy, there's a lot of lists. Let's create a list. Oh, he's looking at some too. What is this one? It isn't ROG though, true. It's not the Republic of Gamers. Let's see, this one also doesn't have onboard Wi-Fi. That ROG one though was super nice. I've never even heard of this company before. BioStar? Wait, is that an MATX? Huh. This one's pretty cheap. Oh no, it's this one. Okay, no, never mind. Going back. That's the one I had so many problems with. Hey, we got Wi-Fi. I did already buy it. I bought it from my little brother. Where was that one I was looking at? It had like all the bells and whistles and it was pretty cheap. Wi-Fi 6E? Oh my gosh. Was it this one? This one has Wi-Fi. 3rd gen Ryzen. This one's a beast. This thing is so insane. Well, Travis said the new... Whoa. It's a company I've never heard of before, though. What is going on with this? It looks so interesting. Whoa. It's very simple. Interesting. But yeah. And then here's an Asus ROG one below it. Oh, this is an ITX. I like MSI. Yeah, they're not bad. If the new Asus ones are releasing soon, maybe I should wait and look at those. Because I still don't plan on making this PC until November. Like for a Black Friday stream or something. Oh, this one's got some white panels. But it's so expensive, holy cow. It does have Wi-Fi 6. Oh, wait. Ah, ITX. I was like, what? It only has one PCIe. It's an ITX. Hey! Hey! Wait. That's so strange. I thought the 10th and 11th gen Intel processors were completely different sockets. But if I can find one that's a few years old, I could actually just keep my same CPU. It's an i9. I have an i9 in my streaming PC right now. I swear 11th gen is when they came out with their new socket. So I'm pretty confused by this. IRTX. Did I add an extra letter in there? DDR4. Wait, and Wi-Fi 6? Oh, Wi-Fi 6E. Okay, this one. Typing betrayed you. Okay, this one's getting added to the list. What is my current motherboard? I'm going to my own page. I have a list somewhere. Oh, I thought I had a list. My streaming PC setup. Yeah, okay, so this is my current motherboard. Oh, so this is 9th gen. Okay, 10th gen is when they made the new one. Ah, okay, I remember now. No, they don't sell them anymore. They don't even make them. What? $300? What? What? Excuse me, but what? That's insane. I don't think I'm gonna find one. They're all gone. What in the Tron? That's wild. They made so many for that generation. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find one. They're so expensive now. How much is this one? Oh my gosh. People really want these motherboards. They probably release so cheap too. Okay. Well, I have failed. I have failed my task. I found a couple motherboards that look interesting. It would be nice to just be able to keep my everything that I have and just like replace the motherboard in the case. But I don't think it's gonna be that easy. I forgot I was gonna change the lights behind me. There we go. Yeah, I think I like these lights more. Maybe. I might change my mind again. But yeah, after the stream, I gotta get another warm tea. A lot of tea. I drank all my tea so fast. And then... Maybe I could just get a smaller case where it's just oriented differently, so it'd be a lot smaller looking. I guess that's also an option. The cheapest option. The camera gets so blurry. This is the microphone I'm using right now. Hey, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate that. I hope my voice gets better tomorrow. Do 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 do. Here, I'll show. Where's my... My computer's so nice. Put a little... I could probably paint over the name of that. And, it might look a lot nicer. I'm kind of thinking about rearranging the background of my room. I don't know how I want to do it yet though. I like the lights a lot, but sometimes I don't like them. I'm wondering. I'm wondering how I could rearrange it. I'm sorry I'm sick today. I hope tomorrow I'm not sick anymore. My voice. I think I'll go eat some more borscht. It might help my throat. And it'll be really good. But yeah, I think I will end this stream now for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. And I will see you tomorrow.